How to delete Gmail account from Android phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail. And once you do that, you want to click on the profile picture or icon at the top right of the screen. And once this pop-up window appears, you want to scroll all the way down and click on Manage Accounts on this device. Once you're here, you will be on the Accounts section where you will be able to manage all of them. So what you need to do is click on the account that you want to remove, and on this page right here, just click on Remove Account. A confirmation box will appear at the bottom that tells you by removing this account, you will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from this device. Click on Remove Account to continue and confirm. And that will delete and remove the account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove a Gmail account on your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.